welcome to Chocolate Talks. If you've never been here before, hello, how you doing? If you are here for second, third, fourth time, how you doing? Welcome back. Please do me a favor, if you are interested in seeing how to make your own SeaMoss, go ahead and pause this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bar so you don't miss out on nothing. So I literally just got this out of the mail. It is from Evergreen Botanicals. That's the name of the business. It says 100% organic chondrous cypress. I don't know, but we're gonna see what it looks like. I just wanted to crack it open in front of y'all. And I'm looking at food, that's why I'm not recording myself today, so I'm gonna smell it. It definitely smells like the sea. This is how much came in there. I'm gonna pour it all out in my bowl just to see how much it equals up to. Wow. I think I'm gonna have to use all of this to fit in my jar. Let me get my jar real quick. Actually, I'll come back with that. So anyways, wow, this is exciting. I've never done this before. Get a little closer. It says it's 100%. I definitely feel a whole bunch of sand. So I'm gonna clean this. I will record that so you guys can see. And then we're gonna let it sit overnight. But I'll get back to you guys. See you in the next clip. All right, I'm back and we're just gonna go ahead and give this a nice little rinse. I'll go ahead and speed it up if it takes too long. But I just wanted to show you guys from start to finish what I got going on. Here it is. What that is. All right, so I think I washed it off pretty good. I'm gonna find a top for this, and then I'm gonna get some distilled water to cover it with, and I'll be back. All right, I'm back. So I got some purified drinking water. I got 2 bottles just in case I really needed to cover all of this. Still smells kind of fishy. I think I'm gonna throw a little lemon in there to get that smell off. And I don't know if you guys heard me when I was recording while the water was running, but there's a little shell. This is my first time making it, so I don't know. I don't know. It's just cool. It's just cool to know that this really came from the sea somewhere. All right. So let me go ahead and and there's a lot of like dark spots and stuff like that. If it doesn't come off, if this dark stuff doesn't come off some of them, then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that off. That's why I got scissors for later to cut some stuff off. So anyways, let me go ahead and cover that up. I'm so excited. I really hope it works out. And I do need an extra one. All right, I'm gonna make sure it's all submerged in the water. I purchased this on Etsy for $14.95. I believe I did have to pay for shipping, but it all was less than 20 bucks. So yeah. And then I got a top. This literally doesn't fit, so I'm just gonna turn around and boop. And then we're gonna come back in 24 hours, okay? 24 hours when this is gonna expand and get so much bigger. Then we're gonna blend it and we're gonna eat it. See you then. All right, hi dolls, welcome back. So we are 24 hours in. The SeaMoss has sat all night and you can see that it has doubled in size. I did put a piece of lemon in here. Let me see if I can find it. Put a piece of lemon in here just to get rid of some of the fishy smell. So I'm gonna pour this water out and give it another rinse. Look at that. Look how much bigger it is. My mom and my brother, my boyfriend, everybody thought it was noodles in here. It's crazy. All right, so give it another rinse. Rinse. I'm so excited. All right, so now we're gonna take our handy dandy scissors and we're gonna cut this up, because if we put it in the blender like this, then this might mess up the blender. So I heard. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up a little bit. If you hear anything in the background, my family's here. Got somebody playing a video game. My daughter's in the back with her dad. So just excuse any sounds that you may hear. And I will also speed this up just so you don't have to sit here and wonder what's going on. I'm just cutting everything so it doesn't mess up my blender. That's all. Thank you for subscribing. Come again.